Not every book sells on Amazon, but if you publish in the right niche, you don't need a bestseller to make real money. Here's how to find profitable book niches for KDP even as a total beginner. Go to Amazon.com, switch to books category, and type in something broad like logbook, journal, or planner. Let the autofill suggestions guide you. These are real searches from customers. You might see things like skydiving logbook or journal for women with prompts. Those are niche ideas worth exploring. Click into a few results and scroll to the product details. Look at the Amazon bestsellers rank or BSR. Anything under 300,000 means it's probably making consistent sales. If a niche has multiple books with low BSRs, that's a good sign. But check how crowded the niche is. Are all the covers starting to look the same? Are there only a few books with reviews? This is where you can stand out by improving the cover, title, or targeting a smaller sub niche like gratitude journal for teens. Now, doing this manually takes time. That's why a lot of sellers use BookBolt. It has built-in keyword tools that show exact search volume, competition scores, and trending niches, all in one dashboard. It helps you find what's selling before you publish. If you want to explore BookBolt, I'll drop the link down below in the description.